Emakhosini liseliganya Kamakunda Weshewe. I just wanted to share something. I had a conversation with a friend of mine, and in that conversation I got to realize a lot of people, they get to go ukuyotwasa isikhathi singakafiki, right? Yes, one may say ngithwasile kodwa izinto azihambanga kahle. What's the problem, right? Yes, umlaphi uyabona ukuthi okay, you do have a gift, you do need ukuthi uyenze into zakho, right? But it does not mean it was your time. Your Rosie still needs to mature, and kunezinto they still working on in the background. Then when, because of the things that you are facing, because of uphile enyameni, and feel like, okay, you know what, let me go to it now. So ngiyenzakala ukuthi usheshe uhambele ihlozi phambili, likuyeke bese ithi masewuphumile ephehlweni bese bafike bathi okay, now naso isikhathi sokuyothwasa, and la uthwase khona it was not supposed to be where you go. Then you are frustrated because of why money is involved. You had to pay all the monies that you paid, and now you have to go back again and pay again. And besides the money, it takes a lot from your mental health or mental stability. Iphehlo ekunika pain-flakes, ukuhlala emzini womuntu ekunika pain-flakes, ukuvuka ekuseni ekunika pain-flakes, all this ekunika pain-flakes. So unfortunately you uzobuyela, you know. Then akufanani kube nomuntu okuthi vele isikhathi vele yiso leso noma, you know. Hence you have to take time and go back and reflect ehlozini lakho, kodwa mase kuyisikhathi you will know and you will have to go, you know. So yeah, I wanted to share ukuthi just have patience, iba ne-patience. Idlozi lakho needs to speak to you, needs to show you the way. Emakhosini leselikhanya Kamakunda Weshewe.